Hey all, welcome to the Houston Gardening Novice channel. I'm a newbie gardener here in Houston, Texas, Zone 9B. Half the time I don't know what I'm doing, but I enjoy trying things out and figuring out what works for me. I hope you can join me in my gardening journey as I slowly work on building my backyard sanctuary. So today is August 22nd. We are deep in summer heat, and I wanted to show how my lawn, I have clover and dichondra mixed in to my St. Augustine grass. I wanted to show how the lawn looks like just before I mow it. I mow every 2 weeks, so it's really long right now, but I just wanted to show how the grass has really improved since adding the clover and the dichondra. The clover is a nitrogen additive, so I no longer fertilize the lawn, and this is how it's looking like in the middle of summer. So this side I've already mowed, and this side you can see more of the clover and the dichondra. I've already mowed this side as well. A few years ago, before I added the clover and dichondra, by now the grass was pretty much dead. It was by this time it was already brown. But I just wanted to show how since I added the clover and the dichondra to the lawn, how it's holding up during summer heat. So I'm in the middle of mowing. This is the mower that I use, and I'm on the third spot. I don't know how many inches that is, but that's what that's the length that I'm mowing. So I'll go ahead and finish this up and come back and show you once I'm done, how it looks like once I'm done mowing. Okay. Okay, I'm done mowing, and this is how the lawn looks like. It's also starting to rain, so this was perfect timing. So see, I'll show this to the side. So this area is usually a low-lying area, but this summer it's done really well. So I'm happy about that. Let's see. See that as well. This area is normally very thick, so after mowing, there's always you see the grass has some blunt ends, but it will green up in the next day or two. Okay. All right, I think I'll stop this video right here. I just wanted to show how the grass looks like in the middle of summer, before and after I mow. So anyhow, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you all on the next one. Thank you. Bye.